consciousness and the law of attraction, how to transform any area of your life using the law of attraction, and what I'm about to share with you, a little known secret about consciousness and transformation to grow your bank account, your love life, your happiness, your career, whatever it is that you want. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. I'm having a fantastic day. Just went on a beach run. Excited to share these with you. Let's dive right into the video. If you have not subscribed yet, be sure to hit the subscribe button right over there and hit the bell notification, because that's what's going to notify you for new videos. Subscribe, bell notification. Let's get right to the video. So you want to transform something about your life. Maybe your life is good and you want it to be fantastic. Maybe it's fantastic and you're like, I'm shooting for literally the best life I could possibly ever imagine and then some. Maybe you aren't where you want to be at all and you just want to transform it. It all comes down to the specific word transform. Trans means beyond. Form. What's form? Our physical world. So in order to transform your bank account, your love life, any area of your life and manifest your destiny and attract what you want into your life, you got to take a step back and say, what's the word mean? Transform. So comment down below trans-form, because it's very important that you understand what the word means, because then you can reverse engineer the manifestation technique and process to use your consciousness to alter reality, bend reality, and create what you want. Transform. Beyond form. Beyond form. Beyond what your eyes and ears are telling you, beyond what you can feel as your tangible reality, beyond what you see when you look at your bank account, beyond what you can recollect based off the cells of recognition and the cells of memory that are encoded into the neurological functions of your brain that say, you're always going to be alone, your last 5 relationships have failed, there's no good guys left. Beyond what your GPA told you about how intelligent you were, and then you decided in that moment that's how smart you were for the rest of your life. Beyond what anybody has told you. Transform. You have to move beyond form. The word visionary literally means someone who lives from an inner vision. You know who we call visionaries? Steve Jobs. We call them the people that transform industries and worlds, whether it's famous actors that recreated the entire production of movies, whether it's technological advances and huge titans of industry, whether it's figures like Martin Luther King or Gandhi. What were these types of people that have transformed something? They were visionaries. They lived from an inner vision. What MLK literally saw a world the way he wanted it to be, and every single evidence of his physical senses told him that not only was it not possible, but he was literally going to be assassinated. That's how direct the opposition was to his inner conviction, to his inner vision. In order for him to build the change that he wanted to see in the world, he had to live from an inner vision. So what I'm inviting you to do is reject whatever your bank account tells you. Just reject it. It's just a collection of your past thoughts. It doesn't matter anymore. Reject what your eyes are telling you. Comment down below, to think truth regardless of appearance is my goal. To think truth regardless of appearance is my goal. What does that mean? Think what you want to think regardless of what the world is saying outside. This is what I would do. I was building this YouTube channel. I'd get 20 views and I'd be like, I know that it's on the way. I know I'm going to get a viral video here really soon. I know my channel's finally going to take off. I know it. Meanwhile, so many people I was sharing, friends, people, acquaintances, colleagues that were starting YouTube got dissatisfied because they weren't getting the results they wanted. They allowed their consciousness to be controlled by the outer world. And I said the whole time, these 20 views are about to be 2 million. These 20 views are about to be 200,000 on this video. I know it. I can feel it. I can see it inside of myself. I don't really care what the world is telling me. I know like I know like I know. And that's what I'm inviting you to do. Now, you may need to fake it until you make it. You may need to start that habit the same way you start any habit. If you're trying to eat healthy, right, and you're used to eating processed foods, the first week is probably going to be difficult. Why? Because you have a habit that you formed and you have to recreate the habit. The same is so for your perception on reality in regards to what is possible for your future. Most people are chained. It's habitual for them to say, well, I wasn't born in the elite families. I'm not going to be wealthy. Besides, the rich people are keeping it. It's the Illuminati is making us all broke. And other people say, well, there's no good guys left. I mean, all of them are a-holes. I mean, I'm always going to be alone. My biggest fear is I'm always going to be alone. And besides, my boss, you think I'm going to get a raise? I mean, dude, it's like they're setting it up. Like, I wish I could leave tomorrow. And we're literally just reacting to the world around us. You only have so much energy you can expend in a day. And if you expend that energy focused on the limitations that are projected outward, then you're giving into the matrix. You're giving into the illusion. And it's time to say, I am a powerful creator. Comment that down below. I am a powerful creator. It's time that you say that. It's time you say transform literally means to move beyond form. I'm going to move beyond the form. I'm not going to allow my eyes to tell me what's possible for my life. I'm going to say I can get out of debt in the next 12 months. I can rewrite my financial life. I'm going to attract my soulmate. I'm going to lose 50 pounds and get in fantastic shape. I'm going to do this. I'm going to do that. And it's time to start saying that. Imagine that for your life, and do not allow anybody or anything in the outer world to convince you otherwise. Because life is fill in the blank. See, most people think life is multiple choice. They go, all right, my answers are, nothing's changing. B, it's my parents' fault. C, it's my boss's fault. D, it's the politician's fault. And they just get to a default way of saying, this is why my life is this way. But life isn't multiple choice, it's fill in the blank. And you're the one that gets to fill in the blank because you have a conscious mind and you get to think whatever you want to think. Imagine great things today. Expect great things today. Expect that you're going to meet someone awesome. So instead of walking with your head down while you're at the coffee shop, if you find someone attractive, walk over and say, hey, how are you doing today? How are you doing? What's up? Don't do it with as much excitement as me because they might think you're weird. No, I'm just joking. But what I'm saying is start to expect great things and step out into life. Say, I'm expecting my business to take off, so I'm going to go do my sales calls. I'm going to go door knock, whatever I need to do. I expect to find the right mentors. I expect that my love life will work out, so I'm not going to get afraid. I'm not going to close my heart and shut down now that it's getting intimate. It's time to transform, move beyond form, to follow your inner vision, to follow what you want. So close your eyes and imagine the life that you want to live. See it clearly in your mind and do not allow anything in the outer world to dissuade you or convince you of the folly of your dreams and what's really possible for your life, because if they do, then you'll be stuck with the limitations that they've given to you. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Transform means beyond form. You have to move beyond looking at form, the physical appearances, the world as it is, and you have to get invested in your own energy, your own consciousness, your own free will to imagine the world as you would like it to be, and then to move confidently in that direction, even though the form, the world, the physical appearances, other people, and all of these things will tell you something other. It's not possible. Here's why it won't work. No. I see it in my mind. I know great things are on the way. I know I live in a friendly world. I'm going to make the next 12 months the best 12 months of my life. Absolutely. No ifs, ands, or buts. It starts today. Nothing is going to bring me down. No one is going to bring me down. When I have a negative thought, I'm going to take a deep breath, and I'm going to reconnect to my inner truth rather than the negative, limited outer world and the things that it might be suggesting to me. This world is full of positivity. This world is full of optimism. It's full of joy, abundance, great opportunities, amazing people. And I'm going to start looking for those things in my life, and I'm not going to entertain any other reality than that. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. Comment down below. I'm attracting what I want now. I am attracting what I want now. And if you have not yet, make sure that you download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. It's a success hypnosis I created 6 years ago to rewire my subconscious mind to attract what I want. Now, over 200,000 people from all over the world have used it every day. Literally, I'm not joking you. Every day I get an amazing story of someone. Like, it's miraculous. Whether they're in Ethiopia or Canada, or they're in London, or they're in Singapore or Hong Kong or San Diego or New York or Austin, Texas. It doesn't matter. It works everywhere. When you reprogram your subconscious mind, your life changes. It's absolutely free. jakeshypnosis.com right there down below. Download that and use that. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there in the corner. That's what notifies you for new videos. I'll see you next time.